Hello viewers, thank you for joining us again. Today's question, we are given that if 7 to the power a is equal to 3 to the power b and is also equal to 441, we are asked to evaluate this quantity right here, okay? So if this is your first time of seeing me on this space, I want you to watch this video. If you find value at the end of the day, please subscribe. But don't subscribe now until you find value, okay? So with that being said, let us dive into this question right now. Alright viewers, the first thing I want you to note from algebra is that if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, we can also see that B is equal to C and A is equal to C. So with this idea, we will definitely break down this equation so that we have that 3B is equal to 441 and also 7 to the power A is equal to 441. I would like to call this child equation 1 and I will call this child equation 2. Now the next thing I want to do is in this equation 1, I would like to take the power of A of both sides, and in equation 2, I would like to take the power of B of both sides. So all these guys is going to be to the power A and here to the power A, and for this one, all of them to the power B and here to the power B. So therefore I will have 3 to the power AB is equal to 441 to the power A. Then I have 7 to the power AB is equal to 441 to the power B. This is equation 1A and this is equation 2B. The next thing I want to do, I would like to multiply these two equations. So therefore I will have 3 to the power AB times 7 to the power AB, then is equal to 441 to the power A times 441 to the power B. Okay, that is just what I've just done. I multiply these two equations. And now remember from the laws of exponents that if I have, let me take off these guys from here. It says if I have a to the power n times b to the power n, you can see that they both have the same exponent. We can resolve it to become ab all to the power n. Or the other case is if I have a to the power n times a to the power n, you can see in this case they both have the same base, so it's going to become a to the power n plus n. We take one of the base and we add up the exponent. So that is what I'm going to do right here in this equation. Now in this equation, these guys, they both have the same exponent, so it's going to become 3 times 7 all to the power ab, then equal to, they both have the same base, 441 a plus b. Okay, and remember this guy can also be written as 21 all squared, okay, all to the power a plus b, because 21 squared is the same as 441, okay? Yes, and now we simplify, so we have 3 times 7 is 21 to the power ab is equal to 21 to the power to the power 2 into a plus b. Okay, I hope it is clear right here. 441 is the same as 21 to the power 2. Then remember we have a plus b out here. So that is what we have just done. Now at this point, it is very clear that the base are the same. So the base will cancel out and we equate the power. So we have ab is equal to 2 into a plus b. Now remember that we are asked to evaluate this quantity. And from this equation, we can actually achieve this quantity. So therefore, I'm going to divide both sides by a plus b. So I have here divided by a plus b divided by a plus b. So I have ab upon a plus b is just equal to 2. This is the quantity we are asked to evaluate from the question. And now we have the quantity to be equal to 2. Okay viewers, I know if you find value from this solution, please consider subscribing now. Okay, because I want to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching and God bless you.